Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can edit Capcut template. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open your Capcut app. So once you open your Capcut app, you will end up in its official page or its app site. So now you need to simply press on the templates option. Now you need to simply select a Capcut template and press on use template. Now randomly select or use any of the videos in your gallery according to the need of the edit and simply press on the preview option. After the selection process is done and you press the preview, Capcut will automatically edit your video and present it in form of the edited template. So this is how you edit a template on Capcut. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.